Minus 28 degrees below zero Fahrenheit on this Sunday morning as I get out and try to get some things done. I was going to show in the last video, I don't even have the Meltivo jacket turned on because it's fairly warm, but without even using the heating element. But turning it on is very simple. The switch is right here. Take it, press for a couple of seconds, and I don't know if you can see that or not. The little light comes on indicating that it is working, and that's on the lowest setting. Punch it again and it goes to the second setting, again the third, and again the fourth. And the fourth would be a little on the warm side at this temperature. Oh my word, minus 36 degrees below zero. And woo. Oh, minus 36, as I was trying to say before the you need to get what?
I was going to say, bungees to hold the saw in, but...
Nah. Oh, I thought they were down there, but...
All right, that, your thing for your face,
yes,
needs to be fixed.
Yeah, I know. Minus 36. Ooh, you're a little frosty.
Just a little. You are too. Turn the camera on yourself.
A little bit. Not too bad. All right, let's go home. Well, yesterday, the first day of the new year, it averaged 33 to 36 degrees below zero. I was outside pretty much all day in it, and we couldn't keep the batteries from freezing on the GoPros. So we have a solution for that coming, but it'll be next week before we get it. I never even turned my Meltivo heated jacket on the entire time that I was out yesterday because it kept me warm without doing it. Now, had I been standing around, not moving as much as I was, then I would have been using the heater part of it. But otherwise, this thing blocks the wind pretty doggone good. Well, here we are, the first Sunday of this brand new year, and we're going to run out and bring back some dead standing that Michelle found. She took the dogs for a walk the other day, kind of in the northwest corner of our property, and discovered the dead standing and some pretty nice pieces that we don't want to leave there for spring thaw to soak with water, and then it will rot over the summertime. But I'm in my second week of testing of the Meltivo heated jacket. Right now minus 19, if you want to be exact about the current temperature. And I have a quilted shirt, an insulated shirt on underneath the jacket, but even at 35 degrees below zero the other day, I forgot to even turn the heating element on because I was totally warm. My core was warm, and the jacket, seems to block air pretty doggone good. In my opinion, well worth it. 20 below, and this is the first time I have turned the jacket on today. I have been warm the entire time. Whoops, yeah, there we go. But I highly recommend the Meltivo heated jacket if you're like in the lower 48 and you have Friday night football games to go through in the fall and like Christmas parades and things of that nature. This thing will keep you warm. I enjoy it immensely. So visit meltivo.com and use promo code Alaska20, and we'll catch you next time.